Especially Christmas Eve. It's an O'Brien family tradition. All seven of my sisters and brothers, we line up on the staircase in our brand new Christmas PJs and have our picture taken. Which is 30. It's my father. Hey, Daddy, you'll never guess where I am right now. Applying for a job at Santa World. No, it's not depressing at all. The man's in prison and he thinks this is depressing. Oh, are you sure it's really not that far? Okay, if that's what you want. Call me on Thanksgiving. Love you. He thought about it and doesn't want me to come. But he can't face having me see him. You bet. Fine. Frankly, I have an announcement. Everyone in this corridor has been chosen to be an elf. Mazel. Report to work at 3 a.m. the morning of Black Friday. This is so exciting.
If you're an affordable, you can afford a savings. It's what you do. If you want to save 15% or more on car insurance, you switch to Geico. It's what you do. I'm a fan of things that go. Three new oven hot snacks like the Buffalo Chicken Snack Melt, only Norton